We're just gonna plug this camera to charge while it's on my head because I want to record and it hasn't charged. Gotta love when people park their trucks just like this. I don't know which way I'm gonna get out of here. I should probably check that out. So it's telling me go down, or I can go back to no, yeah. Yeah, that'll do. Go right on Korean Boulevard, and then we'll go down Lafayette Street. That'll work out. It's telling me go straight, or I can go straight on 6th. And I know a lot of people ask, like, what best truck GPS? I mean, I'm not trying to jinx it, I'm not trying to knock it, but common sense and Google Maps will get you pretty far. Unless you run major cities a lot, then you just need a call. Don't trust the GPS, but I've had truck GPS try to give me more trouble than not. It says there's a truck turnaround up here, so we're about to see what kind of turnaround they're talking about. Let's go close that door. It was easy to get here. Should be easy to get out of here, because I think I get out the same way I got in. West End. And now we're gonna head to Arkansas. Go ahead and pick up some rice in the morning. This thing is filthy. Be nice. Get a wash. Definitely gonna clean this truck up tomorrow. Hopefully that turnaround is big enough. This will go way over here. Hopefully we can swing this from this dumpster. Should be fine. Well, if I hit it, it's just a dumpster, I guess. As you can see, I'm turning all the way, but this thing don't want to turn. Yeah, it's sharp. Even at this sharp, this truck will not reach that trailer. It's nice I'm empty, otherwise I would hate to. Look at those wheels struggling. Now when the sun is blaring especially, you can see all the dirt in the windshield. Yeah, let's grab that charger and get it plugged in. Took the cable off my head so it stops recording. It is what it is, but it's really annoying moving with the cable on my head. I don't think I'm going left. We're gonna go up on this. And down Lafayette. There's a bridge down there that's 12.7, so I'm definitely not going down that way. I'm gonna go back down No, no, there's not. There's not a bridge. That's over this way. But I can go down Lafayette. 12-7 is here. I can go this way. Some nice weather, man. Some real nice weather. Out in Nashville. Got some expensive condos, overpriced parking. I'm sure this place became a hipster heaven. Sure, it used to be a fairly decently priced place to live, but I feel like nowadays older people from California are moving here, and it probably got very, very expensive. But yeah, like I said, we got a real trip on our hands. 4 hours deadhead. Hopefully wash this thing in Memphis. And yeah, let's keep on trucking. Probably when I get out of downtown, I'm gonna stop recording and catch you guys at the truck wash. Like I said, I had an overhead done, freaking $1,100. I need to learn how to do it myself. The sputtering is still there, but I can definitely notice the truck running better. Downtown Nashville. Alright guys, let's keep on trucking and go over this curb. Yep. Directly into this sun. So I haven't recorded much more, but I did wash the truck exterior at least. I'm gonna show you some lighting. So these are interior lights. You got your part Sam lights in the rear, and then it looks clean from outside. Washed it in West Memphis. Cleaned up nice. I haven't turned on the rear ones. See, those are real bright. Gotta sort out that APU and put that catwalk on here so it's not like this, but you get the point. It does look pretty nice. And I gotta switch these lights on here as well to the other style of lights. As you can see, these broke. And then up top, you can see this one and that one are different. Even though they're yellow, I don't like yellow. I want a more amber color. But these are the type of lights I gotta switch on the other side. I have them. I just gotta remove the panel, put them on. And as far as the visor, I'll just get in the truck. Shut these lights off. Yeah, so like as far as the visor goes, the lights on the visor, I decided to buy some lights, some cheap part Sam lights. I bought these. Probably can't see too well. Yeah, they fit fine on the Classic, and they're fine lights. I don't know how they're gonna last, but they're working out fine for now. and I'm gonna swap out all of them so they're matching. But I didn't want to invest into any like nicer lights because I do want to get a new visor, and then I want to do like penny lights on it, either that or the mini watermelon lights on it. So we'll see when that happens. I got some spare cash, which is like never nowadays. You never have spare cash. But yeah, shout out that boy Nick, that's saving green lawn care, SG Ninjas. Yeah guys, I'm at this shipper. They scaled me in. I'm supposed to be picking a crap ton of rice in the morning, so they're not even open here at the shipping office. So we'll see. We'll check in the morning and catch you guys then. Later. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep on trucking, keep on surviving. Later.